Hi, my name is Ollie. This is my Discovery 2. This is how I've set my Pioneer up today. I've got Sunseeker awning on here today and the bicycle carrier, through-axle bicycle carrier. On the right side of my Pioneer, I've got a cargo box. The mountain bike gear is going to probably go in there. And this is built down on an accessory bar. So it means I can adapt it sort of left and right, backwards and forwards, so it can go exactly where I want it to. Further at the front is the shower, which it attaches to our foundation brackets. So at the back here, we've got the gas bottle holder, which is strapped down and also utilizing the Swift lock, which gives me the flexibility to locate it wherever I want. It can go in the middle, it could probably fit under the bike if I wanted it to. But here's a good access point for when we pull up at camp. We've got our swag attached for our camping that we'll be doing tonight. And this is locked down with our eye bolts and the Swift locks, which is great because I can put them wherever I want. It will go in any channel, any location, so it's very flexible. Got my bike attached here using this through-axle bike carrier. Also utilizes the Swift lock. It's a pretty discreet carrier. So with the new Pioneer, you actually have more usable space in your channels due to the removal of the openings. Being able to remove the end caps without tools, you've got all your access for not just the channels, but the wiring as well. The Pioneer 6 Series has subtle features which contribute to reducing wind noise, which would be small plastic inserts like the one on the top here or on the underside of this first underbar. So these are the key to working with the 6 Series platform, these Swift locks. The openings are non-existent, which allows you to utilize more of the extrusion rather than having an opening that becomes obsolete and you can't actually attach any accessories to. But by combining the 6 Series with this Swift lock, you can. I can swap out this setup that I'm using today, and if next weekend I want to put a roof tent on here, move my bike carrier somewhere else, or have skis if I want to go to the mountains, this makes life much easier.